Back pain from lifting is not because your back is weak, and it's definitely not because you're getting old. There's a real reason your back keeps failing during heavy lifts, and once you understand this, you can fix it today. I'm going to show you the exact biomechanics, the 3 most common mistakes, and the simple fixes you can do immediately. Let's start with the biggest myth. Back pain from lifting means your back is weak. Wrong. Your spine is insanely strong. What actually fails isn't the spine, it's the movement strategy around it. When your hips stop doing their job, your spine becomes the compensator. And the moment it compensates, it overloads. The problem isn't your back, it's your hips, your timing, and your core strategy. Most people think they're bending with their hips, but take a look at this. When the hips barely move, the lower back gets forced to flex too early. This increases disc pressure by 200 to 300%. Your core is supposed to act like a hydraulic cylinder, but if you don't brace, even slightly, the pressure leaks. Your spine collapses forward. So it's not about having abs, it's about timing. Now, when the weight you're lifting drifts away from your body, your back works exponentially harder. Every inch forward equals more torque and stress on the spine. If your hips are too stiff, your body forces the lower back to pick up the slack. This is the #1 hidden cause. Your core doesn't have to be that strong. It just needs to fire at the right moment. Although having a strong core would definitely be beneficial. This increases disc pressure, although not instantly dangerous, but if done repeatedly hundreds of times, yes, it definitely leads to injury. And most people don't even know they're rounding. Okay, now the part everyone waits for, how to fix this today. This retrains your body to load your hips instead of your spine. While keeping your spine neutral, stand 6 inches from a wall, push your hips back to touch the wall, then do 20 reps a day. Soon enough, your lifting mechanics will change. Now here's how to test your core timing in 3 seconds. Pretend like someone is about to punch your belly. Abdominal wall stiffens automatically. That's the feeling you want before lifting, not during. When the weight stays close to your body, the load transfers downward, not forward. This reduces back strain more than any fancy exercise ever will. 1. Deep toe touch stretches. This adds additional strain to already irritated tissues. And 2. Heavy lifting under fatigue. This is when rounding of your back sneaks in. Let it heal, retrain, rebuild. Most back pain from lifting is mechanical and improves with rest, physical therapy, and of course, good technique. But red flags need medical attention. Numbness or tingling down the leg, loss of strength, bladder and/or bowel changes, and pain lasting beyond 6 weeks. Now, if you have these, see someone immediately. Back pain isn't random. Once you learn proper body mechanics and apply them correctly, you take control, not fear. If you found this helpful, I'll be breaking down the real causes of pain in my upcoming videos: knees, shoulders, lifting injuries, everything. Hit subscribe so these short, evidence-based explanations reach you first. Fix your movement, fix your pain.